Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss about cryptography, which involves the use of codes and ciphers to protect sensitive information. Cryptography is a sophisticated technique that enables plain text data to be securely encoded into a scrambled code. It is widely used to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and authentication of data. It gives assurance that the information is accessible to only authorized users. So there are two types of cryptography based on the number of keys used for encryption and decryption, symmetric and asymmetric. In symmetric encryption, only a single key is used for both encryption and decryption. So here we can see the plain text, which is encrypted by using a key, and then the same key is used for decryption as well. So with an example, let's check how symmetric encryption is done. So here we have a sender, let the right side be the sender, and a receiver, let the left side be the receiver. So let's create a file named a.txt in the sender's part. So the file is created. Let's view the file. So it says hello. Now let's encrypt this file using or the command openssl AES 256 cbc hyphen in a.txt. Since we have created the text file as a.txt, so we gave it as a.txt, and out let the file name be encrypt.txt. So the encrypted file name is encrypt.txt, and it asks for a password. Let's set the password as test. Now we are able to see that a new file is created named encrypt.txt. So let's send this file to the receiver. So now we have sent the encrypt.txt file to the receiver. So now let's try to decrypt it using the command openssl AES 256 cbc hyphen d for decryption hyphen in encrypt.txt and hyphen out, let it be clear.txt. So the password is test. Now we are able to see that a file named clear.txt is saved. So let's read it, clear.txt. So it says hello. Now we have successfully decrypted the file. So this is how symmetric key algorithm works. So now let's move on to asymmetric. Asymmetric key algorithm uses different keys for encryption and decryption. So it uses public key for encryption, and for decryption it uses private keys. Um, the public key and the private key is generated in the receiver's part, and the public key is given to the sender, and the sender uses that public key to encrypt the file, and then that encrypted file is sent to the receiver, and the receiver uses the private key to decrypt the file and view it. So again, we have our sender and receiver. Let the right side be the sender and the left side be the receiver. First, we'll have to create a key pair in the receiver's part. So let's give openssl genrsa hyphen out key.pem. So a private key is generated by giving this command. So now let's generate a public key. openssl rsa hyphen in key.pem hyphen out hyphen out pub.pem. So a public key is also generated. Now we'll have to send this public key to the sender so that the sender encrypts the file using this public key. So let's send this public key to the sender. So now we have got the pub.pem public key to the sender. So now let's encrypt a file. Let's create a file named named a.txt. So we have a file named a.txt. Now let's encrypt the file using the public key. For that, let's give openssl rsautl hyphen encrypt hyphen inkey pub.pem hyphen pubin hyphen in a.txt hyphen out encrypt.txt. So the encrypted file is encrypt.txt. So now we'll have to send the encrypt.txt to the receiver. So we'll send this. So we got this file encrypt.txt from the sender to the receiver. So now let's try to decrypt it. Um, for that, we have to use the command openssl rsautl hyphen decrypt hyphen inkey key.pem, since key.pem is the private key and we have to use the private key to decrypt it, hyphen in um, encrypt.txt hyphen out clear.txt. So now file name clear.txt is saved. Now let's read it. Clear.txt. It says hello. So we have successfully decrypted the file. Now even the sender will not be able to decrypt the file because the sender does not have the private key. So only the person with the private key can decrypt this file. So this is how asymmetric algorithm works. So let's meet again in yet another interesting video. Thank you.